Hi guys, today I will explain how to swap Tron in Trust Wallet with other cryptocurrencies. This process is too simple, just open the application, once it will be open. Scroll down, and this one is the crypto list of my Trust Wallet. And here we have to find the Tron. And here's the same thing, but what if you did not find it? Then you have to enable it by scrolling down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, search for Tron. Once you write, you have to find Tron. Here you will see multiple things, and this one is the exact crypto. In order to add, we need to turn it on, and then let's go back from here. And when the Tron will be in our list, we have to click on it. And here you can see the option of swap. Just click on it. The first thing is enter the amount which we want to convert into other crypto. So here we need to enter the amount. Once I will enter the amount, this one is the crypto which I want, in exchange of my Tron. We can also change it by clicking on this one. I will select Bitcoin, and this one is the amount which I will get in return of my Tron. Once you confirm, tap on Continue, and within few minutes, you can swap your Tron with Bitcoin. And it was the way by which you can do it.